All right, thank you, Ty. A plan to resume in-person learning in Michigan outlined by the governor and state health leaders today. Our Angeline McCall is live with the options. Angeline.
Yeah, Ryan, Governor Gretchen Whitmer's office came out with this big news. She's encouraging K through 12 schools to resume in-person learning when they are able to, although we should note that this is not a mandate. Governor Whitmer on Friday declaring the science has proven in-person learning is safe.
Over the last 9 months, medical experts and epidemiologists have closely been following the data and know now that schools can establish a low risk of transmission.
Governor Whitmer says school districts should consult with their local health departments on top of taking other safety measures.
Things like appropriate spacing of desks, wearing masks, a cohorting of students, and adequate ventilation significantly decrease the risk of virus spread in schools, and is how many students across the state are already engaging in in-person learning today.
Rockford Superintendent Michael Scheibler agreeing children will benefit with the routine and structure they're used to.
Quite frankly, I think in-person teaching and learning is far more effective than remote or even your compromise of hybrid.
Rockford Public Schools plans to partially return to class in the next few weeks if there is not a future COVID surge. Superintendent Scheibler hopes upcoming vaccinations will hopefully offset that possibility with teachers in the next cohort of immunizations.
It's time for our state organizations, Michigan Department of Health and Human Services, the federal government, CDC, and of course the local Kent County health departments to provide the adequate number of vaccines for people who choose to take a vaccine.
Governor Whitmer hopes other school districts will follow, encouraging an in-person option by March 1st.
The value of in-person learning for our kids is immeasurable, and we must do everything we can to help our kids get the great education they need and to do so safely.
With this remote learning model, it's no surprise that some students just don't learn this way and unfortunately have fallen behind. In Rockford Public Schools case, they are offering a summer program for any of those students who would like to catch up or continue their studies. Reporting in Grand Rapids, Angeline McCall, Fox 17 News.
All right.